Lesson 1. Athenian Democracy and Reform. Trace the evolution of Athenian democracy. Begin with Solon, who in 594 BCE introduced a reform called the seisachtheia. This reform canceled existing debts and outlawed debt slavery. Solon also altered political eligibility by replacing aristocratic birthright with wealth-based agricultural yield, dividing citizens into 4 census classes. Later, Cleisthenes weakened traditional aristocratic clan power by dividing Attica into coastal, inland, and urban zones called trittyes. He combined these to create 10 new artificial tribes. Cleisthenes also established the Boule of 500, a council of 50 citizens from each tribe chosen by lot. Their core function was probouleusis, meaning they prepared legislation and agenda items for the ecclesia. The ecclesia was the main sovereign popular assembly, open to all adult male citizens, who held the right to speak and vote on state policy. To ensure everyone could participate, Pericles introduced a system of state stipends called mystaphoria, which paid daily wages to citizens serving on the Boule and the popular courts. The supreme popular court was known as the Heliaia, composed of jurors selected by lot using clarotyrian machines. Thanks to these stipends, poor, lower-class citizens, known as the thetes, could actively participate in democratic government. Another key democratic safeguard was the graphe paranomon, which allowed any citizen to prosecute a politician who proposed unconstitutional laws. Additionally, the ecclesia could vote using pottery shirts called ostraca to temporarily exile a dangerous politician for 10 years without stripping them of their property or citizenship rights, a process known as ostracism.